we want to talk about iRevive. One of the things, this cream has multiple uses, okay? You can use it internal by eating it. It's plant-based. You can eat this, especially if you're dealing with GERD, indigestion, issues with your stomach, and you need to have a little bit of that heartburn relief. All you do is just take a little bit amount, half a pea size. I like to do it on my finger, place it on my tongue, and I swallow it. A lot of people put it on a cracker and they take it that way. So as long as you kind of get it into your system, within 10, 15 minutes that kicks in and you start having some relief.
I mean, you can eat it. I mean, could you eat oil of Olay or any other creamers?
And this was first developed for 4th degree burn patients, 3rd and 4th. We found that the internal, taking it internally, will help with a lot of those digestive issues that you're having from the stomach all the way down through those intestines. Imagine all the different things out there that people deal with. This iRevive cream can give some relief for those symptoms, in addition to the fact that it's also a cream that you can use on your body, not just for helping heal cuts and bruises and things of that nature, but also for anti-aging, or we'd say reverse aging. So my husband's one, I gave it to him around his eye. He loves it. Men don't like to talk about having to use different creams or things like that, but they don't want to age just like we don't want to. They don't want the bags under their eyes or look older than necessary. So it's wonderful to put on there right along his eyes, all of that cleared up right there. Mine, I used to have, but creases, right? A lot of creases. They've been reduced. Now I just have a little bit here on the side. I had a lot of fine lines right here on my cheek on either side of the smile lines. Those are practically gone. So this on my neck has been phenomenal. Any kind of time that you have any kind of skin issues, acne for teenagers, my son, all the things, again, tried everything, frustrated, sick of it. Finally convinced him into kind of putting the cream on his face. I gave him a little of the 5 milliliter jar. These come in a large, which is 13 milliliters, medium, which is 5, and the small, it's like a trial size, it's 2 milliliters. So I gave him a 5. And then next thing I know, he's kind of arguing with me. He's like, I'm not taking it. And then I start seeing him disappear out of the cabinet. And then his face is clear. And then I'm seeing it sitting on the countertop in the bathroom. So I'm like, yep, he just didn't want to admit it to me.
Well, I like the thing too is that you can use it on your eyes. And I actually will take it and put it on like my lid of my eyes. And we have seen people with eye issues that have gone away.
Gums.
Oh, that's what I was going to say.
Yes. So I have receding gums on a couple of my teeth. So I put it on my finger and rub my gums after I brush my teeth. And then
bleeding gums.
It's phenomenal. Because again, you could do the iHercules spray too and get that in your mouth and swish it around. And so it helps with that. And so it's just the body kicking in because it's getting all of those nutrients and it's absorbing it.
And it's getting the microcirculation from the outside in.
Right.
So once you use it on the face, you use it on the eyes. And if you have issues there, you've got the nutrients you need, that part of your body heals.
Yep.
Where it moves on to the next part of the body that has an injury or needs healing.
Bruising, scarring.
Outside in healing, whereas iHercules is inside.
So one of the things that I absolutely love, this will replace everything on your counter. So if you are getting to the point where you're looking at trying to do something different with your skin because you are facing, aging and wrinkles and fine lines, this is a perfect product. Start young. Got rid of everything. I have this. This is phenomenal. Morning and night I put it on. I coat myself with it. All you need is just a very, very, very minute amount for your face. It would be half a pea size. You dot, and then rub in so it covers. And then you can put it on your neck, going down on your chest. And so especially if you like to hide your area here, because as we age, well, not just the cleavage, but when we age and we're exposed to the sun, you have all of those spots and you have those wrinkles. Take it for 3 days, put it on one hand twice a day, and then compare it to your other hand, especially if you have wrinkles or starting your aging skin on your hand, compare it. You'll see a huge difference. And you can wash your hands and then compare them because it's not a filler. So it's one of my favorite products besides the iHercules. So again, from the outside in, and then we have the iHercules micronutrition spray from the inside out.